it all in color. Just watch. Gotta finish up in color. Yeah. I'ma do it all in color.
Oh, hey my beauties. I am in the hot Harties. And yeah, man. Oh, it's hot out here. Sitting here by yourself? Are you with someone? You're with someone. Hey my beauties, I'm coming to you live from Harties. So this is our room in our villa, okay? In our villa, we're doing villa things, okay? It's labels. It is really hot out here, and but I'm so excited. Like I'm so happy I found this place. I booked this place. I was the one who negotiated with the lady from the Airbnb, and I'm just like so proud of myself, you know. So I'm gonna do a quick villa tour, and all the other information will be on the description box below. So if you want like a nice getaway, quick getaway to Hartbeespoort or Harties, whichever way you want to call it, please do check this villa out, okay? Now I'm going into the bathroom. I'm going into the bedroom. Oh, that aircon is just coming in so lovely. That's such a cute setup. I organized that because, I mean, I'm such a hopeless romantic. The tent is just nice. And I think this was so cute. And they executed it exactly the way I wanted. The bathroom space is open. I like it. I like the way it looks. And this is the bathroom mirror. Not me matching with the bathroom deco. Like, I didn't know when I saw the pictures that like I'd literally match. I was like, I want something flowy and, you know, light. And yeah, so I'm matching with the bathroom. Okay, let's move on. Petals for my petal, okay? This is another balcony space with the other bedroom. I think, or they said it is a 3-bedroom. This is just a chill area, nothing much to it. Okay, let's go down the stairs. That's the other lounge downstairs area. Okay, and then as you head down, you see the lovely kitchen. Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Only gone for a year, only more like one. And then there's a wall that separates the lounge with the dining table, and then there's a whole open area, bright area over there, and you still see the dam. So that's the dam. If I was brave enough, I'll jump in, but no, I don't want to. And there is an actual dive-in option that you can do in this property. So yeah, I think they also rent some boats, but we didn't want to do that for now. This is a property from outside. It's a really beautiful space. I love it. The pictures do not do it justice. There's another bedroom over here. I think they're still busy with that. Please don't mind that. And this is the pool area. No, don't worry. This is the pool area. People are still busy, you know, but it's so beautiful. We're in this area. I think it's a common area within the estate. We do have our own pool. I showed you guys earlier. This is a common area within the estate, like within the people within the vicinity of the dam. And this is the view. I love this patch. It is so cute. Look at this pot plant. How cute is that? It looks like it's growing from underground. The sun is sunning. Hey, what do you do?
Subscribe to BeautienTreats channel, yo.
That's on Pew Pew. Yeah, man. But yeah, I'm glad I am not wearing this as a boob top because I would be burning. I would be burning. So yeah, just chilling here by this common area, and then we're gonna head back into our villa. Okay, be sure that you are subscribed to my channel, and if you're new here, hey, my name is Miss Yola, and this is my Beauty and Treats channel. I am vlogging about our lovely stay in Hartbeespoort. We've got a lovely villa. Be sure to check out the description box below with the link for the Airbnb, and you can book it. Her name is Melissa, and she is amazing. Tell her I referred you. Okay? Alrighty.
But damn, you gotta give me more. If you don't want it like me, I can think about 100 things I could be doing right now. Don't waste my time with you. Okay. Since you gotta have it good, I'ma start that clock on you. We gon' see what's up when a nigga pull up on me. Got a nigga back. Don't you know I love these niggas? Wish these niggas back. I'm just saying, boy, you playing, you gon' let it wind up. You got 24 seconds and it's starting right now.
Outfit change. Hey, we are gonna go to the pool now, and I'm so looking cute. I wanted to put on my wig real quick, just to look cute or whatever. Okay, let me show you guys my outfit. Okay, so here's my outfit.
Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the soap, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately, I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me.
Whew. Oh gosh, the sun. It has been a pleasure.